Hi guys! Oh my god, it's been so long since the last video and I've just been so overwhelmed with work and school. I do full-time school and full-time work, so it has been crazy. I haven't been on here for the longest time, but I am back and I've been using this teeth whitening for quite a while now, so I've been playing with it. I know what it's like and my teeth are definitely whiter, and I'm gonna continue to use it because I just love how easy it is to use. So the product that I'm talking about is this package here. This is from the brand Globodent, and this is actually called LuxBrite, and it's a personal teeth whitening system. It's so easy to use, you guys. I'm so excited to talk to you guys about it, and let's go ahead and show you a little overview about it. This retails for $129. And it's a personal teeth whitening that works in 30 minutes, and it's perfect for people that are on the go. And the reason why is because you can connect it to a smartphone. So you don't actually have to charge it. You don't have to like plug it into a wall. You literally just plug it into a smartphone and you're good to go. So you can use it at the airport, you can use it on a plane, you can use it at home while you're watching TV. Like, it's so easy to use, and it just, you know, whitens the teeth in 30 minutes. This is what it looks like. Obviously mine is like not as pretty because I've used it a couple times, but I'm going to give you a little overview of what is in this package. You're going to get your user manual, and this is going to tell you how to use it and a couple of, like, you know, frequently asked questions, and the instructions are in English and in Spanish, so you have the manual. And then you have this little shade guide that is going to show you like where your teeth are at. So like, I think I started at like a 3 and I really want to be like a number 1. So let me just show you guys here different shades. So I was like a 3 and I want to be here. I think I'm probably like around 2 now, but this little guy, and this is pretty much what's gonna give you the light, or the LED lights. So there's 14 LED lights here that you put, and this is like a tray that you put the teeth whitening gel on. So you put this in and you leave it in for 30 minutes. And again, the connections are right here. So it works with the USB connection, so you can put this in like any device that has a USB port. So you can plug it into your laptop, you can use it with like a phone charger to plug it on the wall. That's not really ideal though, because I personally like to use it on the go, or like if you're just laying down and even in bed, you just plug it into your phone and just, you know, scroll on Instagram while you're whitening your teeth. And then it also has the, I forgot what this is called, I think this is the micro USB, and this is for like Android devices. And obviously you have your iPhone charger, so you have these 3 connections, which is great. And then you have a pretty long cable so that you can do whatever you want. So you have the tray right there. And then you are going to get 3 of the gels. This is the teeth whitening gel. So that's gonna last you a long time to use on the top and bottom of that tray. And then finally you have this little guy. This blue one here is a remineralizing gel, and that's only if you know, feel like your teeth are sensitive after you use it, which hasn't happened to me. So I actually haven't really used it. It's literally brand new because I just never had, I never needed to use it. So I'm gonna show you a little preview of how to use it and how it works and how easy it is to use. So apply the gel on the top and bottom of the tray. So really easy here. Let's see if I can kind of zoom in on here so you guys can see. So I am literally just going to start from one side and then just drag it to the other side. Like that. I don't know if you can see that. So just like that, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on the bottom. I'm gonna put that in my mouth. I have a little bit of lipstick, so sorry if it gets a little messy, but I'm gonna put it in. So I'm gonna put this right in, and then I'm gonna put my timer on my cell phone for 30 minutes, and I'm just gonna go hang out, and I'll be back once the 30 minutes has been finished. Okay, so now we have 5 seconds left. Countdown right now, and we are done. So I'm gonna take out the tray, and let me just say that you have a little bit of saliva in your mouth, so you definitely have to spit it out. And then when I go do that, I'll go ahead and wash the tray so that I can put it away and like let it dry, and that's it. There's no filter on here. Like, my teeth are white and I love the results. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys another product from the same line, but I'm actually gonna show you guys this in the bathroom because I want to show you how it works. So let's go ahead. All right guys, so I am in my bathroom right now. I wanted to show you the second item that I wanted to review. This is the Globodent Sonic electric toothbrush. Oh my god, I love this. I love that it's black. I don't know why I've always wanted a black toothbrush. I just feel like if you're traveling, it's not gonna get dirty, and I feel like sometimes with my makeup, like it gets on the toothbrush, so with like lipstick and stuff like that. So this is such a good toothbrush, you guys. I'm so excited to show you this as well. This retails for $159, and this right here, I already took it out of the box. This is how it looks. So the actual toothbrush comes in this little awesome case that you can travel with. It's hard, it's like a hard plastic, so it's going to be very durable and sturdy to take care of the toothbrush. And then it comes in like this. How cute is that? So obviously you take this out and then you're going to attach this end, which you can actually buy this online as well. I believe it's 2 for $15. All you have to do is put it right in there and you are good to go. So right here, there's a set of instructions inside the box. It has a 2 minutes auto timer guide, so you can turn it on and it'll go on for 2 minutes, and that is pretty much telling you that you need to use it for 30 seconds in each section. So you would use it on the top right for 30 seconds, top left for 30 seconds, and so on. So it has a 30-second interval timer guide. Have the device to charge it into the wall, or again a USB. This is the power button, and then I don't know if you can see, there's like a little bit of writing on here, and so it has clean, sensitive, massage, white, and polish. So I'm going to swing in high frequency, so it's going to remove any bacteria on the teeth and like any like leftover grime on them. So that would be the first setting, which is clean. That's the first one. And then we go into the second, you click that again, it's going to go to sensitive, and this is for sensitive teeth and gums. So it brushes your teeth with gentle frequency. And then we go to massage, which is the third one. We go to massage, which is the third one, and this brushes teeth in extremely gentle frequency. Then we go to white. You're gonna clean and polish your teeth and also whiten them as well. And then last we have polish. And this is high strength and high frequency, so this is for polishing and for brightening. So you can use whichever one, and again, it's 2 minutes each, so whatever you feel like you're in the mood, you can go ahead and change that. And again, once you're done, you just set it on the charging base. So I love this, so cute. I feel like you can get it for a guy, for a girl. Like, again, I love that it's black. So again, I'm like super in love with this. Honestly forgot to film the outro for this video, so I'm just gonna leave you guys with this little part of me brushing my teeth, and I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Again, I will be filming soon now that I don't have school at this time, and we'll keep you guys updated with everything I do. In the meantime, make sure you follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat if you still use that. I will leave my info after this, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Oh my god, it went everywhere. So don't turn it on without putting it in your mouth because it literally exploded everywhere. I'm gonna do that again and just turn it on and just start brushing.